EE104. Hi, Professor Pham. This is Juan Kylie. Today, I'm going to discuss about Lab A, and going to the first step of the Lab A. We are dealing with the OpenAI file and by Q&A. Uh, for the, According to the description in the lab doc, we simulate the OpenAI chatbot that gives information from the file you store in the directory to answer questions relating to those files. This is also a client-server frontend application in the software. So let me start by sharing my screen. Let's start my video and sharing my screen. Okay, so this is the very first part of the laptop OpenAI file Q&A. And first, we try to install everything following the following the instruction in the Q&A file. Let me try to open it again. Open it. File Q&A. Yes, this one. So basically, we try to follow the step. First, we set up the OpenAI key and later the Python key. So here, first I have to make sure that I download the Node Node.js already by many option here. Later, I just log into the OpenAI, which I have done with the previous lab. So there's three key totals to copy. The first one is the organization ID. You see this one, I already say it. Secondly, this one. Secondly, I go to OpenAI key here. This one is the one I already used and copy as store it in my new ENV OpenAI key here following the instruction. So I am about to start with the first step, which include the symbol from command pip install OpenAI and npm install OpenAI. I already download this file by this option here. I also have to download the whole package that you provide, that's the professor provide here in order to make the file work. This one. So let me open the Power Room really quick. This is what I have. Then install OpenAI, make sure that everything is installed npm, just like the instruction from the website the professor provide, Python, venv, pip install OpenAI. Oh, this one I have something error, so I just ask and resolve it. So I redo it again. Make sure everything is installed. Later I use the command Python app file to reach the step in order to create the file in the directory that I decide from here. I do the same thing. So let's move on to the file and then location. Once I finish and reach to this step, uh, I I open this file that's stored in the whole packet. Open the command app A. Yes, this one. Here I put the env and the file I design in the ChatGPT here because I like to ask about Blackpink, which is the Korean pop singer band. So you can see I asked about them a lot. So that's my 5 questions in the ChatGPT. Or to go to the slide, here's is the here are the question for about the Blackpink K-pop Korean pop band. So I just later I already downloaded it and installed in the file that you see here. So the finally, so I move to the spider. The for the code this is very simple. I just have the code already. To explain a bit about the code, I import the token and a library like we usually do. So here's the important thing that I have to adjust. This function to define my own key by use the Python index. My Python index, I just simply log in and sign in by the school account, copy the key here like we do in the OpenAI. I put it in here and change my name to my index name file to EE104 to match with the file. So here is the other function to create the login section ID. So this is the important thing to change. So finally, the hardest part is to upload, make sure that I upload successfully. When I did this the first time, it didn't load because I had something wrong with the name in the file. But right now I have it working completely. So the first question is what's a Blackpink network? You can see here, the network is estimated to be around 35 million USD for this answer. The website probably answer from my exactly same text file directory. So I will try and change the question to match with the script. Or here I just mix random, make sure that I have 5 exact questions. The member. I'm not sure if people interested in with this topic or not, but this is my so I cannot change it. Or I can change and make another one later. So when I add this question, they give me the same, exactly the same with the file, and I already download the members, Jisoo, Jenny, Rose, and Lisa. Let me try another one. Or so when is the debut day? Yeah, make sure. I want to try to make sure it's matching perfectly the same. It's on August 8, 2016. Let me try another two. I pick the most popular song. The most popular song is exactly the same. Maybe it's most popular song is Kill This Love, which the top charts worldwide. Uh, official color. So color is pink, exactly the same. Nothing to debate about that. Let me try another harder. Okay. The meaning. Make just ask the meaning. Easy. The name is combination of contrast in concept of black and pink. It presents the duality of the group music. That's my favorite part of this group, which can be both fear, fear and vermin. That's it for the part one Q&A. This is the hardest step to make sure that I can upload the file. If something wrong during the process, the uploading the RAW cannot be made. This is the first. This is the end of the first part of file Q&A.